Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be discussing about set. Okay. So as usual, like we will be discussing about what is a set, and we can see like how can we create a set and how can you do like different set operations like add, remove, delete, and all those things we can discuss. Okay. So let's start. So sets are used to store the multiple items in a single variable, similar to list and the dictionary. Also, set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Okay. So each time when unordered means does not have any order. Okay, so we cannot call it with a index or something like that, just like we have done in the list, right? In the list we can call it using an index, but here we can't do that. So it is unordered. So each time when we run that, it may give us a different result. Okay, and unchangeable, and we cannot change that particular location variable, but what we can do is that we can actually remove that one. Okay, and it is unindexed, so that is we already discussed that. And it does not allow the duplicate elements, so that always have the unique elements, unique values will be there in the set. So here we can see like how can we create a set. So here I have created then my set. Here I can say that apple, banana, then I can say cherry. Okay. So when we check the type of my set, we can see that if it is, see this is set. Even though this is curly bracket, okay, it does not have the key value pair, right? So this, if we have a my test, if I am just creating a empty curly bracket, then when we try its type, it will be a dictionary. Okay, but if it has a value without a key value pair and just like this, it will be a set. And there is another way of creating a set. We can also say that there is a constructor is there, set. Here we can mention apple, just like this, apple, banana, and cherry. Let me check this, my set. Okay, so this is another way of creating a set. And we can see how can we add something to the set. Okay, so let me create another simple set. I can say that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is my set. I can print it, my set, print my set. Okay. Then let me add to the set. Okay. So let me add. We have a method called add. Here I can add a value to this particular set. Maybe I can add 8. Now let me print that. You can see that new values added to the set. Okay. Now what we can do, we can try to remove that. Okay. We have a remove function is there. Here I can pass 5. Now let me print that my set. Here the 5 is removed from the set. Also I can add the 5. Okay. Let me add 5 here and print the 5. Okay, 5 is here. Now let me add 5 again. Okay, if I have added 5, so when we print that, we can see that there is only 5 is there. Okay, because the set will not allow the duplicate numbers or like duplicate elements there. Okay, so this is one of the good feature of set. And let me show you one more example. So here I have a list and let me add 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 2, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 3, and let me add 5, 5, 5. Okay. Okay, so this is a list, and if somebody asks like, okay, how can you remove these duplicate elements from this, and which is very simple. Okay, what we need to do, I can create, we can just convert this list to a, this to a set. So if I create my test one, see all the duplicate is removed from the list. Okay, so this is the one easy way to remove the duplicate element. Okay, now there are like couple of other operations are there, like union, intersection and all those things. So we can see like couple of them. Okay, so first let's see, we have a set. I can say that maybe A, B, C. So this is one set. Now let me add another set with 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, now what we can do, we can create another set, set 3, by joining these two tables. Okay, so that we can do set 1 dot union, we can do a union here, and set 2. So if you look on this set 3, okay, we can see that these two sets are joined together and create a new set. Okay, so this is the one feature of this set. And similar to union, there is another method is there, that is intersection. Okay, so in intersection we can just try with the same thing. Okay, maybe I can say that set 2 dot intersect set 1. Okay, so this will return an empty set because there is nothing is common here, right? Now maybe I can create another set. I can maybe select like A, B, then C, then C. Okay, then I can have another set like B, C and D. Okay, so consider these are the two sets. If I want to find the intersection between these two, see, we will get the B and C, because B in both sets we will have the B and C as a common. Okay, and there is another function is also there. Okay, that is called update. Okay, so here we have discussed about the union, right? So if you want to update, so if I have like a update and y, okay, now if you print the x, okay, so this two will, the x will get updated with y also. So here also we need to think about that any duplicate value will be removed. So here we have like B and C are common, right? That is removed from this particular. Anyway, when we do the update operation, all the duplicates will be removed and only the unique value will kept it here. Okay, so that is a one feature from this. Now I think we have discussed about union and we discussed about update, and I think we discussed about the intersection also. Now let me detail out like one more function, that is called the intersect update. Okay, which is similar to intersect. I can say that, okay, let me copy and paste here x and y. Okay, and if I want to update y with the common value, that is we call the intersect update with y. Okay, if I execute this and if I print x, we can see that the x is modified with the only the common one. B and C is common and x is updated, intersect is updated to x. Okay, that is what happening here when we say intersect update. So I believe I have covered like most of the use cases with respect to set. Okay, I think that is all about in this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.